Hi everyone. So today I've got a few jobs to do. I'm going to be building a new bench at the bottom of the garden to put the ewes on. No time to chit chat. I need to get outside and get the work done. I have all this wasted space here, so I'm going to put a new bench along there out of that aluminium sheet. The heavens is opened, so I'll have to do my brackets for the bench inside the shed. Pissing down outside. I'm going to have to try and make them in this little small space in the shed. I've got the sizes I need. They're 640 wide by about 18 inches deep, so I'll make a few of them brackets, then we'll put the cross members in to support the bracket. There's going to be a lot of noise, so I'll just do this with a little bit of music, but all I'll be doing is measuring, cutting a few, come back and put them together. I've only got a handsaw, so let's go. So I've got a brew in hand with capital on. Time to start making some brackets. I've got my 3 brackets done now. I just needed to stop raining so I can attach them to the wall. I need to move a few bits down there before I can do that. So time for a breather because I'm packing, cutting that. putting the bench done now. What I just need to do is get the ewes out the flower bed and I'll put them on here. I might do that in a bit before I finish watering the trees, because I need to water this bottom half of the garden. This would be a nice bench to work on your trees, actually, this bugger. This bugger. Sorry about the background, obviously the other trees is there, but they're looking well. So I'll get the rest watered. Okay, so that was just a little video on building a bench for the ewes, as they were just stuck into the planter and they weren't getting much light. Where now I can turn it. I'm quite happy with the way the bench worked out. It's pretty solid. If I don't keep the ewes on it, I can use it as a sun lounger when the sun's out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.